The Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL 6-in-1 with 6.5 QD capacity is a versatile kitchen powerhouse. Before we dive in, make sure to check the price in the description below. This air fryer uses Max Crisp technology, cooking at a superheated 450 degrees Fahrenheit to deliver golden, crispy results with little to no oil. With up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, it's perfect for those looking to enjoy their favorite fried foods without the guilt. Its 6.5 QD non-stick basket and crisper plate allow you to cook larger portions, fitting up to 5 pounds of French fries or 9 pounds of chicken wings. Whether you're cooking for one or for the whole family, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL has the capacity to meet your needs. Plus, its 6-in-1 functionality makes it incredibly versatile. You can choose from Max Crisp, Air Fry, Air Roast, Bake, Reheat, and even Dehydrate settings to prepare a variety of meals, from crispy fries to roasted vegetables or baked treats. The Ninja Air Fryer is designed with a compact size that allows you to save space on your countertop, so you don't have to worry about it taking up too much room in your kitchen. When it comes to cleaning up, the non-stick basket and crisper plate are both dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Included in the box is the 6.5 QD non-stick basket and crisper plate, as well as a chef-inspired recipe book with 20 recipes and cooking charts to help you get started right away. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, this air fryer has everything you need to create delicious meals in no time. With its innovative features, large capacity, and easy cleaning, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL is an excellent addition to any kitchen. It allows you to cook faster, cleaner, and healthier, while still enjoying the crispy texture you love. Don't forget to check the price in the description below before making your purchase.